And here we are again. My name is Ronald Alan Turla and kasama natin, of course, si
Ann Curtis.
kapangalan lang ni Ann Curtis, no? Today, Ann, we're gonna talk about your story. From struggle to sparkle.
Thank you for coming for visit. Although you came from Toronto,
Yeah.
so glad that you came here.
Of course, we're here in Edmonton. We heard good things about your business. That's why we're here. Nakarating ng Toronto, mga kababayan, ang kasikatan ng isang Ann Curtis ng Edmonton.
Wow.
Palakpakan naman! Oo! Ako'y kinakabahan dahil ang aking katabi ngayon ay napakaganda, hindi lang sa labas, pati sa loob. From struggle to sparkle. Pag-usapan natin, Ann, okay ba sa'yo? Yung ating mga nakaraan at ngayon, ang katotohanan, the roots and reality. Alright, Ann, before you have this business, sino ka bago mag-business sa Canada?
Back home in Philippines, I was a student. I'm also a freelancer, talent, and a photography. I'm doing modeling. So I'm a raketera.
Wow. Raketera.
Yeah, raketera.
So, modeling, photography, raketera.
Yeah,
sa
and I
Pilipinas.
have my own business as well. It's jewelry.
Sa Pilipinas to?
Yes.
So, ibig sabihin yung young girl years mo,
Yes.
mukha ka pa rin young ngayon.
Oh.
Negosyante ka talaga. Parang gano'n.
Yeah, that's yun yung brain ko kasi I'll grow up like, super mahirap kami.
Wow.
Yeah. And my father is a jeepney driver and my mom is like she's working in an office. But, yung sinasahod lang nila is not enough for us. We are 4.
Pang-ilan ka?
I'm
The eldest? Wow.
Yes. But that's why I see everything of what's going on around. And then I said to myself na I don't want my children na lumaki sila na same as me, na naghihirap. So I want to give them something na hindi sila maghihirap na tulad na pinagdaanan ko.
Ayan, shout out and sa lahat ng mga panganay. Kung panganay ka, paki-comment below yung pangalan mo. Dahil ang mga panganay, sila yung unang nakaranas ng mga bagay-bagay. Kagaya sinabi ni Ann, nakita niya lahat ng bagay. Siya yung unang napalo, napagalitan, minahal, inaruga, nag-asawa. Ang daming una, no? So, being an ate, ano ba ang isang Ann bilang isang ate?
Bilang ate, you have a lot of responsibility. Like, you're dreaming, you have this ambition na para lang, hindi lang for you, it's for everybody, for my parents and for my sisters and brother.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Alright.
First year college, nag-start na ako working student. And then, continue na yon.
Nagtatrabaho para mag-aral, nag-aaral para magtrabaho.
Nag-aaral. And then,
Ganun yun eh, no? Working student
aside from working sa fast food, so I do like going out sa TV, freelancer, and then also yung photography, and then namimigay ng flyers. Ng flyers.
Naranasan mo yun?
Yes, lahat po yun para lang kumita and then extra income para maibigay sa mga kapatid ko and then sa mom ko and then for para sa tuition fee ko rin.
Wow.
Yeah, so nakagraduate ako ng college because yun.
Fast track natin ito bago tayo pumunta sa part 2 segment natin. That's the single life of Ann Curtis. Ano nauna? Nag-asawa o nag-Canada?
Oh, nag-Canada.
Okay, so let's
Yes
go
po.
to Canada! What's the story behind it?
Punta ako dito ng Canada alone, just me. And then I started in Tim Hortons po. And then after that, kasi mabilis po yung sa province, which is sa Goose Bay po siya.
Okay.
1 year and a half only, I got my permanent residence.
Wala kang relatives here.
I don't have any po.
Saan mo hinugot yung lakas ng loob at tapang ng dibdib?
Actually po sa pangarap ko.
Wow.
So my dream is to mag-work po talaga abroad.
Habang pinoprocess mo yung mga papers and documents mo, hindi ka ba nakaranas or naka-experience ng negativity? Denied, something like that?
Nakaranas din po ako. Before po kasi yon, I experienced lots of heartaches.
Heartaches.
And also po bully.
Wow.
So, naranasan ko po lahat yon. And then I said to myself, doon po ako nag-start na, okay, I need to stand up for myself.
Whoa.
And then push through and then, to be faced to everyone na kahit yung ganun yung ginagawa niyo sa akin, I can stand on my own and then, na I will be successful in time.
At nakarating ka ng Canada.
Yes.
Malamig.
Super lamig.
Oh my Lord.
Malamig,
Anong
and then-
probinsya ang pinuntahan mo?
Goose Bay po.
Goose Bay. Newfoundland.
Yes
Okay.
po.
Single ka nun.
Single po.
At nagkaroon ka ng course.
Yes po. Doon po ako nagkaroon ng karelasyon.
Aha. At nabigyan ka ng ilang anak?
My first child, I have one.
One?
With the
The first
person
one?
that I met there.
Aha. Okay.
And then I become single mom.
Okay.
And then I met this
Another person. Siyempre, mahirap
So,
na isa. Talagang nagkakaroon ng tayo na
yes.
being together for, pag na mali isa, pwede namang isa pa ulit.
And this one he is white. He's Canadian British po.
Okay.
So he is the father of my two girls
Two
now.
girls.
And he is the Curtis.
Okay,
So,
we don't want to touch more of the personal of
Yes, yes
Curtis.
po.
Yung po yung kanyang request sa akin. And that's why as a host, I have to guide you in the way that you will be more comfortable.
Yes po.
Let's just talk about how do you go to the next level sa pagbabalik ng It's Not About Me,
Not about you.
It's all about we to the next level.